Let's get your Claude account upgraded to the Pro tier right now, so you can unlock higher usage limits and access the latest models. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or phone, and head over to Claude AI. If you aren't logged in yet, click the Login button in the center of the screen, type in your email address, and enter the temporary verification code sent to your inbox to access your dashboard. Once you are looking at your main chat interface, move your cursor down to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, where you see your profile name and initials. Click directly on your name to open up a small menu, and then select the option that says Settings. Inside this new window, you will see a few different tabs on the left side, and you want to click on the one labeled Billing. This page shows your current plan status, which should say Free Tier. Right next to that, you need to click the button that says Upgrade Plan, and then confirm by clicking Get Pro Plan on the next screen. Now, if you want a quicker shortcut next time, you can actually just type claude.ai/upgrade directly into your URL bar to skip these menu steps entirely. At this point, the screen will prompt you to choose your billing period. You can select the standard monthly option, which is around $20 a month, or choose the annual plan if you want something more cost-effective in the long run. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to commitment, so pick the one that fits your budget best. Below that, you need to enter your payment details, including your credit or debit card number, expiration date, and the security code. Before you finish, the important thing is to understand the trade-off here. Upgrading gives you much higher message capacities, but it is still not completely unlimited, so you still need to pace your complex queries during peak hours. In my case, the extra speed and priority access during busy times make the cost well worth it. Review the pricing and terms on the screen one last time, and then click the subscribe button at the bottom. Your account upgrades instantly once the payment processes, and you can back out of this menu to start using the advanced features immediately. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.